guess I got no choice.
Let me see you get down. So you get down.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
Get down.
like I do, but I do, Lord, I do. I don't know why you treat me like you do, but you do, Lord, you do. I don't know why I love you like I do, but I do, Lord, I do. I don't know why I love you like I do, but I do, Lord, I do.
Gonna do everything with our heart and do it good.
Hold on.
I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, be your lost.
Please do sit down. Bore da a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good morning and welcome to Cardiff. Welcome to the Utilita Arena and to Cardiff University's 2025 degree ceremonies. My name is Gareth Powell, and I have the enormous privilege and joy of being a Pro-Chancellor of the university. We are here to celebrate, and we are here to celebrate with joy and enthusiasm. As students in our School of Computer Science and Informatics and in our School of Mathematics mark their achievements of awards and sheer hard work. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat. And those of you who are receiving your awards today demonstrate your commitment, your enthusiasm, and your passion for academic inquiry. You have all the knowledge, the talent, and most importantly, the compassion to become a positive force for change and for good in our all too troubled world. Students in the School of Computer Science and Informatics take your place in an ever-changing world, but now you have the skills that put you at the heart of societal change, societal challenge, and the technological trends that will shape futures we do not know. And those of you in the School of Mathematics have developed strong analytical and problem-solving skills, which are vital to tackling contemporary society and its data-driven focus. All of you are graduating today with a Cardiff qualification that tells the world that you are ambitious, passionate, and have lively, creative minds. I hope very much that you will embark on the next stage of your journey with all the confidence that this brings. Diolch yn fawr for all you have contributed to your respective schools and to the university. And of course, those who are receiving awards today are joined by a great number of supporters, families, friends, and enthusiasts, as we have gathered together to mark achievement, to mark commitment. And you are all here because you are proud and happy about this day. And so I hope you will share in the celebrations and express your commitment and enthusiasm with that joy. I do feel I need to clear up one point, and that is before the Pro-Vice-Chancellor tells you. I had to take my maths O-level more than once. And that's simply because I enjoyed counting. It's now my duty to call upon Catherine Parry, who will read a poem entitled Education, written by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. And following that, Catherine will read the proclamation which declares this degree ceremony open. I hope you enjoy today and all that it represents. Diolch yn fawr.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Feiddio gwellhad y wneud, mynag eisio, parchad weid. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes as the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod siarter frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd I hastudiaethau a'u hysgol heictod wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlon lwyddiant y rhai sydd yn graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Diolch.
Bore da. I'm Michaela Paynes, your Vice President Postgraduate Students from the Students' Union. And Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day that you will all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends, and perhaps living independently for the first time in your life. None of these are easy feats, so for that, I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or a parent and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you have achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences you've shared together, whether that be in a seminar room, a society, or a sports club, the opportunities you've embraced, and the relationships you have built have made you into the graduate and the person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth that you've experienced. You may or may not know what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau class of 2025.
Borida, good morning. Athro Wendy Lana Dwi. I'm Professor Wendy Lana, and I have the enormous privilege of being the President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all the students here to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even by a little whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Toi ardydod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dyfanu a chi a gael eich dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn esgel Llongyfarchiadau. I now introduce Dr. Catherine Jones, the head of the School of Computer Science and Informatics, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Dr. Catherine Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of a Bachelor of Science. Zakaria Abdurizak. Hamad Abdullah. Anna Hamad. Omar Khaliri Ahmad. Matthew Aked. Friaz Mohammed Sakar Al-Mahari. Mohammed Al-Badi. Ali Akindi. Sude Halam. Hamed Saeed Ali Al-Bakalani. Amanda Amayami Alcantara. Omar Mohammed Alda Fa'ari. Saud Badran M. Al-Harbi. Faisal Amar Salim Al-Jaidi. Hamid Al-Mawash. Zainab Al-Mashari. Rian Rafiq Al-Shahiq. Abdullah Al-Said Ali. Ryan Alvis. Mersini Maria Apasu Uldi. Joshua Hu Arbon. Hassan Bahadur. Sohib Bajwa. Rami Mohammed Azizi. Taylor Barber. Isa Bartlett. Nathaniel Bassett. Ariane Elise Bayliss. James Bavis. Jack Ewan Bell. Lily Nagoknan Nagrayan Benaid. Benjamin Lewis Bevan. Joshua Paul Bird. Nathan Paul Blundell. Aurélie Bourget. David Douglas Remington Pollock Bowl. Charlie Frederick Boxall. Finn Bradbury. George Bertie Bridle. Alex Bridgenath. Jakob Bredak. Aidan Ramin Butt. Renee Glimford Campbell. Maeve Carher. Vincent Long Yin Chan. Piers Chandler. Robert John Chapman. Aaron Jing Wan Che. Abia Hussain Chowdhury. Liam Coley. William Collier. Martha Eleanor Corcoran. Jake Coughlin. Adwa Darty. Aidan Davey. Rupert David Davis. James David Carey Denny. Noah Patrick Dodds. Ahmed El-Ghazali. Joseph Christopher Andrew English. Stuart Foxcroft. Harry Richard Franklin. Kadra Gabobi. Ryan Stephen Gallagher. Ricardo Thomas Garcia. Clevis Gikenny. Alfie Dennis Gormley. Callum John Hugh Greer, Joshua Andrew John Gray, Abby Saren Catherine Griffiths, Amber Jinchard, Zilshan Ali Gulhamsuyan, David Andrew Gurr, Emily Louise Hadrell, Kai Sven Hailstone, David Hammond, Lawrence Henry Harley, Mubasher Haroon, Jake Matthew Harper, Justin Henman, Matthew Andrew Thomas Hill, Daniel Hickson, Hugh Holman, Oscar Hoodsmith, Tom Hudson, Taran Hunjan, Saeed Aslan Haider, Charles Ikegwu, Paige Ireland, Hamad Junjua, Linton Inson, Connor Michael Jenkins, Japal Singh Joti, Boyu Jin, Connor William Jones, Evie Maya Jones, Amarveer Singh Kantola, Karuki Stephen, Oren Charles Kendrew, Ammon Katri, Ned Kingdom, Jacob Finley Knapp, Elvis Conovos, Cornell Crisco, Isaac Kwan, Nayo Lak Sono, Sam Andrew Larkins, J. Club Lee, Charlie Lighthouser, Fergus Leslie, Wojciech Levchuk, Joshua James Lewis, Eric Bogdan Langstaff, George Lynch, Suyong Maga, Alex Ma, Ahmed Mahmoud, Stefan May, Merwais Matezai, Wukash Miko Waichak, Oliver Miller, Dylan McGay, Manuel Miranda Mendez de Luz, Kana Mitsutusuka, Beaumont Cole Mogridge, Shook Haymock, Joshua Bradley Morgan, Zain Manushi, Isaac Misagusi, Romley Nash, Adriel Chin Nikwai, Malcolm Zeza, Paulina Olignik, Zengada Oyang, Connor Parley, Ethan Patalano, Paul Pearson, Christopher Petrov, Jack Phillips, Toby William Phillip, Rebecca Ann Pidgeon, Lewis Ose Polly, Luke Thomas Pope, Joe Poyner, Deacon William Gareth Pesdy, Konstantinos Posadakis, Samid R. Rahman, Uray Kahi, Rohin Rashid, Duval Pagnesh Raval, James Reed, Callum Richardson, Joseph Peter Richmond, Josh Rhymes, Matal Rangata, Luca Cristiana Rococo, Stefano Rush, Joshua Andrew Sadlier, Diobek Sankulavov, Vlad Sargu, Seema Sarasoi, Zeba Nisa Sata, Ben Sauvé, William Sortel, Luca Robson, Charles Ian Templeton Shannon, Harry Shepherd, Mahi Shiraz, Timothy Shimman Huang, Sajal Sharisatha, Alexander Simmons, William Warwick Sims, Devda Jaden Singh Lander, Kartapati Pathrang Halagu Sarundana, Yang Smedo, Katie Olivia Smith, Robbie Smith, Benjamin Sparrow, Jakob Starkloser, Daniel Rees Strawford Susman, Popopzi, Gustus Tamutis, Jack Evan Thomas, Jack Thurman, Jacob Timeko, David Topos, Ryan Tresman, Gethin Rees, Lewis Troy, Keon Sang, Moria Teskiri, Oliver Turk, Maxton Tutiet, Arnit Anpol, Vashenko Nikita Olgovich, Corey Versfield, Heinrich Lloyd Vilchter, J. Thomas Warren, Joel Adam Westcott, Brandon Stephen Williams, Ian Morgan Williams, Thomas Williams, Thomas Williams, Emily Winterbottom, Wong Pu Chi Angi, Ya Qing Wu, I, Dr. Catherine Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Daniel James Allen, Eric Boyzwensky, Thomas Onkonkao Menezes, Mahip Kaur Rihanna, Rebecca Sarah Rowe,
I, Dr. Jonathan Thompson, Head of the School of Mathematics, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Amelia Akita. Hugo Allen. Ben Allen Dahl. Kincaid Andenberg. David Martin Bannister Bellis. Chahaya Amira Binti Amir Hamza. Aishu Safi. Oliver Bielfelt. Ilya Bolgov. Lara Bone. Alex Bolton. Ruby Bryant. Laura Bremner. Lewis Riley Burge. Jensen Daniel Burns. Joshua George Carlton. Alistair Nathaniel Clark. Eleanor Coburn. Jacob Cole. Gabriel Lucas Conway. Joshua Luke Marcus Coombs. Aaron Cooper. Tom Crompton. Ewan Crump. Ethan Daly. Rhys Dalton. Luke Davis. Regan Rhys Davis. Oliver James Dawson. Johnny Denny Lauder. Benjamin Dimmock. Sam Dono. Melissa Duncan. Anirin Erskine. Winona Fernandez. Harry Foster. Victoria Gregorczyk. Alan James Hardman. Rhys Harris. Adam Hewinson. Jack Hill. Joshua John Walter Hitchcock. Benedict Joval Hunt. Katie Jewell. Ethan Johnson. Yayan Jones. Oshan Jones. Michael Cassinis. Jasmine Kendall. Sydney Stewart Kirk. Chuk Fan Kong. Callum Leah Lanfear. Michael Thomas Lee. Adam Lewis. Joshua Rees Littlewood. Anchi Leo. Haotong Leo. Cara Luckett. Hannah Luty. Dylan James Mack. Finley MacLeod. Shay Madani. Keshni Mushithia. Noah Mastre. Hannah Mason. Anna Victoria McFarlane. Alex Mears. Matthew Midgley. Mattis Mikada-Junas. Joseph Richard Miles. Jolie Miller. Harvey Frederick Mills. Priya Mistry. Mohammed Hafi Mohammed Rosley. Ma'ab Mohammed. Holly Nichols. Rudolph N. Varga. James Oates. Lauren Oates. James O'Neill. Jude Ottery. Yestin Owen. Isaac Owen. Mavanwi Grace Owen. Cameron Owens. Kyle Owens. Calvin Davian Panakaran. Sion Parashur. Bibi May Pierce. Joshua Phillips. Lucy Amelia Phillips. Lucy Rose Phillips. Matthew Phillips. Nicholas Michael Philpott. Grace Pillay. Alex Pinch. Phoebe Powell. Millie Price. Ethan Pullen. Bilal Farouk Qureshi. Cole Lewis Raymond Nichols. James Henry Rendell. Tom Ziggy Yerberg Roback. Samuel Allen Robinson. Kyle John Ruff. Jamie Sale. Alexander James Salmon. Oliver Searle. Shagana Sagar. William Simner. Sayan Singh. Ben Smith. Toby Allen Soden. John Alexander Stevens. Darcy Hope Stimpson. Clara Tastovska-Kaliva. Isabel Rose Taylor. Rose Teasdale. Archie Thompson. Sui Chak Lund Draco. Saranya Vinayak. Maria Vorochenko. Dominic White. Noe Zhu. Alexander Young Santos. I, Dr. Jonathan Thompson, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Mathematics. Owain Birrell. Stephania Kotets. Lewis Froud. Ellen Olivia G. Katie Christine Evelyn O'Callaghan. Mel Poole. Aaron Alid Russell. Emma Shelley. Cameron True. I, Dr. Jonathan Thompson, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Mathematics, Operational Research and Statistics. Rhys Lodwick. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to? Toi ardydod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a ho ffrentiau a ddaw enesgel, clong y ffaciadau.
I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Atharv Pajmada Devendra Shinwade. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Afa Edil. Louise Abdul Nazar. Zainab Abdurrahman. Sakinum Binti Abdul Hamid. Rizan Rizaz Ahmed. Afanan Saad Algmani. Gareth Almond. Asad Bakwi. Ud Una Yaha Al-Maki. Claude Said A. Al-Salayed. Aryaman Anand. Sonal Anand. Tinish Manideep. Mohammed Akib Al-Jurad Onob. Alu Katibayan Astrologia. Rajwal Atira. Sohaib Ayub. Gari Ramaganesh Badhi. Sastivel Pritham. Thomas Jack Bartlett. Geoffrey Clyme Lim Bayan. Ore Benson. Faisal Ekali Besta. Shwetha Bagatha Seleke Shami Alango. Kaustubh Bhatt. Abdul Rauf Bahati. Siddharth Bayana. Akash Prakash Buwad. Tayusik Bundiyan. Tane Shitan Bo. Marta Borawicha. Trapsilo Pramudia Bumi. Anne Campbell. George Khan. Gagan Chandra Kumar. Enoch Ribin Chujasai Garanem. Yiman Chung. Kenneth Choi. Max Christopher. Pravan Akula Ventaka Guana. Luke William Cleverly. Alice Cowdy. Shawari Dali. Louis Davis. Zhe Deng. Omar Dikanashwa Deshmukh. Rohan Sanjay Deshpande. Viraj Daj. Ishprika Dam. Ranim Dudin. Rohith Doram Raju. Gabriel Kopat. Jessica Lorna Dunham. Harry James Dunn. Jade Eleanor Dunn. Dominic Evans. Stephanie Mimosa Ezadum, Mukhtar Farah Aden, Zim Ning Feng, Maria Victoria Fris de Kreki, Christos Doulopos Gabriel, Rajas Gadgil, Yushuri Pandit Galdlekar, Christopher Gapper, Joel George, Koshrat Hamed, Lydia Rose Hanaho, Zain Dean Hankin, Anya Sarah Hayes, Benjamin Rees Haywood, Mohammed Azaniman Haji Muhammad Safri Yudin, Dr. James Horlock, Ruthrick Hotel, Rebecca Hunt, Ramimi Hussein, Ali Imran, Asif Mohammed Iqbal, Joshua Jacob, Madhan Monish Jayakumar, Hirsch Jha, Chao Heng Shan Jiang, Jude Praveen Raj, Kuze Men Nawaze Janjua, Joseph Lewis Johnson, Joel David Jones, Alistair Nicole Jordan, Nuveen Joshi, Tanmay Kadam, Abhishek Pradhan, Anikret Arjun Shuneta, Patricia Kansimi, Zahid Surnan Kaya, Shabazz Kamzi, Jack Kenneford, Humza Ahmed Khan, Humza Eshan Khan, Waza Kiza Alai, Jonathan Knox, Emilia Kobina, Namberthith Navanith Kodam, Suman Kodera Rama, Shashidra Kola, Hannah Kubika, Abhishek Kumar, son of Kandra Prakash, Kieran Lewis, Peter Lewis, Moning Zhu, Jijung Lang, Yu Li, Catherine Lloyd, Darcy Lowe, Mohammed Ahmad Malik, Fabia Marie Martens, Ahil Madi Vahanan, Edward Mugigai Mbuthia, Andrew Rory McCormack. Callum Keown McDowell. Thomas McAveen. Ailish Mary McSweeney. Abnubhav Mishra. Path Mystery. Joshua Mitho. Mohammed Rahib Reis. Kafi Mohammed. Diana Nunufo Diana Moti. Samath Kanandra Shekhar Buddha Bagil. Rohit More. Eleanor Ann Elendon Morris. Dunashri Motalari Somalia. Aaron Dovey. Munian Sheila Shantosh. Nitish Kumar Pulekandala. Harish Raghav. Govardhan Narayara Swami. Shruti Muktutan. Sarab Nautila. Laura Nendin. Kawing Naran Nug. Shudam Sanjay Nipada. Reese David Windsor Newt. Denzel Adose Obeng. Ron Gabriel Ocampo. Kieran O'Leary. Fatima Marwa Omar. Opanga Joshua Onugweni. Kira Overfield. Shefin Panakal. Anna Panayoto. Marios Papapechotro. Ayman Pasha. Nitish Sanjay Patil. Vallabh Vehab Patil. Yash Patil. Thomas Pittman. Justin Ryan Pocock. Bihikram Punusame. Sancharari Patithra. Reese Price. Shantaram Parab. Kartik Pundir. Shaptashi Putatunda. Wei Kwan. Mohammed Abdul Hassan Kudos. Ishrat Kushiri. Nipuma Patra. Kotha Rabani. Nahid Rahman. Anu Kathiraka Rajasharaka. Harsh Bora. Avinash Ramamurthy. Monica Ramel. Saga Ramteke. Monica Ramurthy. Rutvik Randeep. Anjali Rastori. Kaushik Ravi Kumar. Mohana Krishna Ravichandra. Niraj Rawat. Sam Roberts. James Rolls. Narin Razeveva. Yuki Sakata. Darshan Sampath Kumar. Vishwajit Sankar. Jimmy Sarsosa. Nikhil Satashis. Surabhi Savunt. Caroline Schreiber. Keithnatha Selavam. Thaya Paran Senturathan. Syed Mohammed Humza Shah. Ravina Shahu. Nomer Shazad. Sumir Sheikh. Belal Shamk. Siddhant Shablang. Jega Sethwa Shanmugmam. Johan Smith. Yatish Sonehale Vijare Kumar. Pushkar Shompati. Sorav Nahir Sudar. Rafferty Jack Sullivan. Chen Sun. Bartolome Mashkwalin Svartek. Selman Thabit. Jennifer Herald Tate. Dexter Talbot. Naricha Tail. Samuel Thacker. Digvijay Singh Thacker. S. Nagapushaka Thanusa. Georgina Thipanotos. Millie Antoinette Thomas. Augustus Alan Tranter. Adashe Ujamithatha. Shreyas Umesh Parwa. Christopher David William Upham. Ankila Vanajaj Anud. Paritha Vasudevan. Shiming Wang. James Thomas Webb. Kirsty Sean Westwood. Davith Treeth Anthony Williams. Michelle Yiyan Wong. Pungchi Desiree Yan. Jieshen Yang. Erin Yao Waiting. Shin Yi. Shenpang Ying. Minyang Yu. Hassan Kamal Zafar. Hussein Zahid. Yongshi Zhie. Bokin Zhang. Liaquan Zhang, Yishao Zhang, Yizhu Yong, Snigdha Banahi, I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Philosophy. Dominic James Cairns Fonseca. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able? Toi ardydod a raddwyd y mi gan y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hoffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Arij Maki Alabas. Dr. Lamia Abdulaziz Al-Kahari. Ashwaq Mohammed Al-Salami. Mohammed Shafiq bin Zulkapli. Dave Brains. Ubishek Kuhoroborti. Michaela Corradini. Tasala Deadman. Oster Finnegan. Madi Hamdan. Naima Hamed. Samuel James Hanna. Matthew James Hutchins. Aisha Jadot. Mohammed Itaza Usman Khalid. Abu Bakr Mohammed. Sebastian Pierre. Thomas Alexandra Pudivine Durance. Ayode Rotiba. Byron Williams. Shimbo Wu. Xin Zhao. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ar y dydod a raddwyd y mi gan y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw yn ysgel llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Congratulations. Those of you who have received awards are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni are great, diverse, global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles. Others are quiet but no less significant contributors to local communities, making the point that we are interrelated and that education and learning broadens our horizons. A university education at Cardiff has given you more than simply a degree. You have been encouraged to ask questions, to challenge conventional wisdom. You have shown willingness, determination, and spirit, the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. Please continue to do that as you continue to serve society wherever you may be. Some of you will, of course, be leaving Cardiff today, and that might mean that the day is tinged with a degree of sadness as you say goodbye to an extraordinarily diverse city. But Cardiff University will always be your university. Wherever life takes you, I hope that you will become a flag bearer for this university and carry forward its values of kindness, of generosity of spirit, and openness to human inquiry. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments such as these. It conveys a deep sense of longing, of love, of memories, and of things of the heart. We hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for this university and that you will stay in touch with us and with each other. With that in mind, I'd like to invite all of you who have received degrees today to join in a new university tradition which is being launched, the reunion. The university is launching a reunion weekend and holding the first of these in July 2026. Please do, if you are able, come back to Cardiff to celebrate the first anniversary of your graduation. For we want you as our alumni to stay connected with us and crucially with each other. To return to the place where friendships have been formed and intellectual passions ignited. We want you to help build a social and professional network which will be with you forever. So I hope you will come back next year, and for the milestone anniversaries of your graduations, for there will be particular parties on the 5th anniversary of your reunion, your 10th, your 20th, and I hope very much that some will be here for the 50th anniversary of your graduation. We awarded an honorary fellowship to one such person earlier this week. So please volunteer to be captains for the great Cardiff class of 2025, and you will soon be receiving details of this event and the opportunities for volunteering. While today is about your achievements, this of course is not something that you could have done alone. And you have been supported by a remarkably dedicated, committed and enthusiastic team of academic and professional staff, some of whom are represented behind me on the platform. You've also been supported by your friends and your families, many of whom are here today and some of whom are watching online. They have helped you. They've kept you going. They've mopped you up. They've been recipients of late-night telephone calls, and I dare say they have even facilitated the odd bank transfer. But we'll gloss over that for today, although I do think they deserve one last meal, and Chip Lane is not very far from this venue. But you might run to a salad today. And so I ask those of you who have just received your awards to share in a tradition that we have at these ceremonies. I ask you now, please, if you are able to stand and with applause and enthusiasm, say thank you to those who have supported you. Please be seated. I hope that the rest of the day will be a day of celebration and enthusiasm. And to close our ceremony, we're now going to watch a short film that welcomes you to the Cardiff alumni family. At the end of the film, would you please stand as the platform party leave the hall? Diolch yn fawr.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
"Cheers, drive."
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
together, but you had places to go. Watching the sunshine blaze the grey. I don't know why you wouldn't stay. You should come south of the river, where the loving is gold. You should come south of the river. This is where it all starts. I think that we could stay here forever, lie on the roof till